Well, hi there, Piper. Looks like she's taking care of the wire that goes to the fan. Look at that. Nobody's going to get away with it. Yeah, she's right on top of things, if you know what I mean. Look at that. Oh, we'll get a little closer. Yeah. She's worth looking at closer, aren't you? Well, she looks like she has something in mind to do. You notice that face? What are you going to do, Piper, huh? What are you going to do? Well, let's see. Oh, oh, she's gonna do twists and turns, aren't you? Twisting and turning. That's very sweet. Yeah, Mama liked to see you do that. Now she's cleaning her leg. Back to the paw again. Yeah, she likes to keep her paws clean. Oh my goodness. Look at that cute baby. Look at that cute baby. Oh, now she's gonna look businesslike again. Yeah.